Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it, and let's get right into it. So today's video is all about having empathy and being able to sympathize with others. Part of becoming the best version of yourself is all about being able to relate to other people even though you're not necessarily going through the same situation, being able to understand people from their perspective, from their own point of view, without really being judgmental. That means being able to actually take the time to understand people's story, to understand why people may be acting a certain way, why they are who they are, instead of being judgmental. Have you ever come across somebody, you judge them right off the bat and think, oh, they must be this particular way, but when you get to know them, they're a completely different person than you thought they were. So it's being able to empathize with people. This is something that that you have to deal with in relationships, being able to deal with that work, being able to deal with when you're, for example, if you're building a business and you have to have a team within you, you have to be able to have empathy, put yourself in somebody else's shoes and really be there and imagine what they could be going through, rather than because it's something that you haven't gone through, it doesn't necessarily mean that it doesn't hurt them, it doesn't necessarily mean that they don't have the right to act the way they do. If you really take the time to understand people, to understand them for who they are, to understand their character, to really listen to people's problems when they're going through something without judging them. One secret that lies to being a better you, whatever that looks like, is being able to be honest with yourself and sympathize with other people. That's how you really build strong connections, is being able to relate with other people without necessarily going through the same situations, being able to see things from a different perspective. This life is not simply just about you, it's also about how you connect with others. How are you building those professional relationships? How are you building those emotional relationships? How are you connecting with people around you, connecting with people that you don't necessarily know? You have to put yourself, everyone has a story and everyone has a right to tell their story the way that it happened and the way they want to. Just because you don't have the same story, it doesn't write off their story. Their story is still valid. So be able to empathize, be able to really put yourself in somebody's shoes and imagine what they were going through, how they're feeling, to build better relationships. Sometimes people are so quick to put their own needs and their own expectations, they're so quick to try and be the one to be understood, but you don't really take the time to be the one that's understanding, to understand why someone did what they did, to understand why someone is reacting the way they do. Put yourself in other people's shoes, put yourself in other people's perspective. Life is not just about you. To be rounded, you have to also be able to see things from a different perspective, see things from a different point of view. Life is all about perspective. Your vision doesn't mean that it's right. There's so many different angles you can see things, so just be mindful of other people, sympathize and apply that to your general life. Okay, thank you for watching today. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next one.